Hello my friends, so we've learned in the previous class yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, and ellos, ellas, so the subject in Spanish language. And also we've learned two verbs, ver and dormir, and two more words, una película, temprano. Hello there, so today we're going to talk about the verb to be in Spanish language. So the first one is ser, and the second verb to be is estar. Okay, so let's briefly see how can we conjugate the ser. Yo soy, tú eres, ella usted es, nosotros nosotras somos, vosotros vosotras sois, ellos ellas ustedes son. And same here with estar. Yo estoy, tú estás, él ella usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos y ustedes están. So in this part we're going to talk about the verb ser. Okay, so we use the verb ser in 8 conditions. I'm gonna tell them to you in examples. So let's just take yo soy, I am. So the first example is yo soy Ali. I am Ali. Yo soy Iraqi, or yo soy de Iraq. I am Iraqian, or I am from Iraq. Okay, yo soy médico. Soy médico. I am a doctor. Yo soy musulmán. I am a Muslim. Yo soy alto. I am tall. Okay, let's put in front of us the conjugation of the verb ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él ella usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos ellas ustedes son. So these 5 examples are so important, and don't forget we still have 3 more examples. We're gonna talk about them in 2 minutes. Okay, so the reason that I have written these examples is that when you remember this example, which is information about me, you will remember the condition where we use the verb ser and not the verb estar. Okay, so let's get to the first example. Yo soy Ali. So when I want to tell my name or say my name, I would say yo soy Ali. So I use the verb ser. Okay, and yo soy Iraqi. Yo soy de Iraq. In this example, I am talking about my nationality, or I am talking about the country where I come from. So in this case we use the verb ser. Or let's take another example. Yo soy English. I am English. Okay. And the third example here, yo soy médico. I am a doctor. So here I am talking about my job. For example, let's say I am a teacher, so I would say yo soy profesor. Or the person who is talking is a female, she'll say yo soy profesora. I am a teacher. Okay, the fourth example Yo soy musulmán. I am a Muslim. So when you're talking about your religion, you use ser. Yo soy musulmán, or let's say I am Christian. I would say yo soy cristiano. Okay, and the last example here, yo soy alto. I am tall. So it's clear that in this case I am describing my characteristic. So I am tall. Describe myself. Okay, so in this case you use the verb ser, or let's say a female's talking and she wants to say that I am beautiful, so she will say yo soy bonita. I am beautiful. Okay, so don't forget that we can use any type of the verb ser. Okay, and let's say that we're talking about ourselves, and we are students. Okay, so we would say nosotros somos estudiantes. Nosotros somos estudiantes. We are students. Okay, and let's say that we are talking to basketball players and surely they are tall, so we will say vosotros sois altos. You are tall. Okay, but don't forget that in Spanish language you will make everything in a plural form. So alto is single and altos when you're talking about more than one. And ellos son altos. They are tall. The other three conditions that we use the verb ser is when we are talking about the clock, about the time. So for example, let's say ahora la una. Now it's the first. Ahora es la una. The second example, we're talking about the day. Hoy miércoles. Hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. And the third condition, and the last one, when we say ellos son mis amigos. They are my friends. So when you're talking about something that is related to you, and or it's yours, so you will use the verb ser. Okay, so here is at the first example we say ahora es la una. It is first o'clock. Surely we're going to talk specifically about the time in a specific lesson, but today this example came with us anyway. So ahora es la una. So when you're talking about the time you say ser. Okay, and when you're talking about the day, for example today is Monday, so hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. And imagine that you're working with your friend and accidentally you see your mother, so you would tell him that she is my mother. So how you would tell it in Spanish? You would say ella es mi madre. Ella es mi madre. Or for example, if he is your brother, so you would say él es mi hermano. Okay. Words that we've learned today: Iraqi, Iraqian; médico, a doctor; musulman, a Muslim; cristiano, Christian; alto, tall; and ahora, now; hoy, today; miércoles, Wednesday; la una, first o'clock. So this is the end of the part 1, and I hope it was helpful and also it was clear. Thank you for watching, and give us a like if you liked the video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.